OneMedForum with Michael Ruge with Vivostat. And Michael, thank you so much for being here today.
Pleasure.
Tell me a little bit more about Vivostat.
Vivostat is a Danish company. We have together originally actually with Bristol Myers Squibb developed a concept where we deduct autologically blood from a patient, which is then again used either for healing wounds or as glue in terms of surgical glue, fibrin.
So tell me more about the recent technological developments with the company and your plans for moving forward with those.
Some of the real recent development is that we have actually started cases of wound healing where you see diabetic ulcers being healed after having been chronic for up to 30 years. We have seen them being healed within, say, 12, 15 weeks. And personally, I think that that is extremely important to a lot of people, because if you realize how many diabetic people there are in this world, having about 46% higher liability of amputation than the non-diabetics, and so on and so forth, I think we actually do make a difference in this respect.
Awesome. Well, it sounds like there's a lot of opportunity. What do you see the market opportunities being coming into 2010 for this type of technology?
I think on the short term, I know that the world market of fibrin is about $2 billion. So I think short term, that's where we are going. It'll take a little longer to actually document sufficiently the wound healing capabilities. But then we are speaking about 3 million people with wounds just in the European Union alone.
And so is the main application for diabetics? Are there other applications for the product?
Well, basically you can heal all wounds, but diabetics is slightly more interesting because they don't necessarily go away, these wounds. So that's where we're aiming at. But we have also been using our equipment because it is so precise to actually administer the drugs for a co-delivery where we supply drugs together with the fibrin, so it releases slowly. For instance, I can tell you that they're working on trials in Germany where they are redoing heart valves by adding stem cells together with our fibrin and our concepts. And in Switzerland there is an ongoing trial to actually administer drugs to heal cancer. And you know how poisonous cancer medicine is.
Absolutely.
So wouldn't that be, I mean, for some years ago, far away now, possibility to actually be able to apply it exactly where the cancer is instead of having it going all over your body, where you lose your hair and stuff and eventually die.
Absolutely. So it sounds like there are many different possible applications.
Lots of possible applications here, definitely, yes.
And what do you hope to gain from being at the OneMedForum today?
Well, we're just a small company, so I hope to be able to find a partner that could sort of give us a takeoff. We are not even approved by the FDA yet. We are just in the European market. So there are lots of combinational possibilities of partnering, which I hope somebody would take interest in.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much for being with us today. I really enjoyed speaking with you.